And today we're going to be checking out this wireless microphone system for your iPhone. That's right, this is a little system. You just plug it right into the port on your iPhone and it's got two microphones. How cool is that? So if you're doing street interviews, if you're doing product videos, if you're making YouTube videos, whatever your use case scenario may be, this is going to help you improve your audio and also give you a more consistent audio, because we all know that when you're using your phone camera with your phone facing one way, the audio sounds great. You flip it the other way and it sounds terrible because you only have a mic on one side. This is going to give you the ability to wear a mic on you. So let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down. We're going to unbox this, see what you get, and then we're going to hook it up to my iPhone and test it out. So let's get to it. Okay, so here it is right here. We're just going to go ahead and just slide it out. The actual microphone set comes in this nice carrying case. You will get a manual, and this is going to be your charge cord. So your charge cord is here, but you're also going to get wind muffs as well to install on your microphones. So on those very windy days, this is going to stop all that irritating wind noise. How cool is that? So let's go ahead. We're going to look inside here. You can see that you do have a charge port on the back, and you just flip the case open and everything you need is right there. Now the microphones do come with a foam wind muff on top already as well. And usually these are well enough to stop a pretty decent amount of wind. You should only need these on very windy days. And then this is your actual receiver, the part that plugs into your phone. Now this is available for iPhone and Android as well. It does have you can select an option for a USB-C port, so very cool. And this is your second microphone. And yes, this is a charging case. You just put everything in here and plug your cord in the back and it's going to charge this all up for you. Now when it does come, you do have these little plastic tabs on the back protecting your contacts so the batteries don't drain. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. You will see that you also have a USB-C port on the side here for charging. You have a mute button, and then this little switch right here is the off on button. Now these do have noise canceling, but you don't have to turn that on. It is always on, so that's good to know. Now you do see that it is a nice compact mic, and it also has a shirt clip as well for attaching it to your body. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to charge this system up. We're going to connect it to the iPhone and see what a difference it makes. And it's also worth noting, you can see that there are indicator lights right here on the front. That tells you the charge level of your case. This case does have an internal battery and will charge your microphones on the fly as well. Okay, so now we are recording on my iPhone, and I purposely put it in vertical mode so you can see that I am on my phone, and just so you can differentiate from the previous video and this video. So how does this microphone sound? This is the built-in microphone, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect the mic system. That way we can see how this sounds compared to the built-in microphone. Okay, so now we are on the external mic right here. You can hear it gets quite annoying when I tap it, but that's just to prove to you that I'm speaking through this microphone. And what this microphone is going to do for you is it's going to give you a nice consistent audio. So if you have your phone far away from you, if you're filming a scene where you're further away, you're still going to have nice clear audio. And also, as you turn your phone to show people what you're looking at and flip it back, you're going to keep that consistent audio, because usually the iPhone records on one mic or the other, either the front or the back. So what I've noticed is when I try to vlog with my phone is, if the phone's facing me, I have nice clear audio, but when I turn it around and I continue to talking, the audio drops really low because the mic is on the opposite side of the phone. So it's very important to have a nice clear audio source. And what's good about having dual mics is you can keep one in the charger at all times. So if this one was to go dead and you still needed it, you could put it back in the case to charge up. You could put the other one on and continue your video and your recording. Or if you were doing an interview, or if you had multiple people, you could actually have both mics on at the exact same time. So overall, it seems to be a decent microphone. It's going to give you that consistent audio you need to take your videos to the next level, and it's going to get the job done. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.